Now with the state of Ohio, we can now definitively say that President Barack Obama will be reelected.
It didn't take long for the re-election of President Obama to be called, after which GOP candidate Mitt Romney called to congratulate the president.
I have just called President Obama to congratulate him on his victory. This is a time of great challenges for America, and I pray that the president will be successful in guiding our nation.
Both Romney and Obama said in their speeches that it's time for the government to start working together.
Our leaders have to reach across the aisle to do the people's work.
To meet the challenges we can only solve together.
The president says that the country also needs to come together.
We are greater than the sum of our individual ambitions, and we remain more than a collection of red states and blue states. We are and forever will be the United States of America.
Not much has changed in the House as Republicans have control, but Republican and Speaker of the House John Boehner offered President Obama an olive branch.
Mr. President, this is your moment. We're ready to be led, not as Democrats or Republicans, but as Americans.
Obama arrived back to the White House on Wednesday with many people in the country ready to move forward. For the Met Report, Peter Aragon.